Peace, beautiful being, and welcome to this 10-minute guided meditation. This meditation is here to help you find calm and focus in moments of stress. Whether you're feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or scattered, you can always return to your breath. All you need to do is pause, breathe, and allow yourself to come back to your center. Find a comfortable seat or lie down. Relax your hands, soften your shoulders, and if it feels right, gently close your eyes and exhale fully through your mouth. Again, inhale deeply, exhale slowly, releasing the tension from your body. Allow yourself to settle into this moment. There is nowhere else to be. There is nothing else to do. Just be with you and your breath. Box breathing is a powerful tool to calm the nervous system and sharpen your focus. It is simple. You'll breathe in for a count of 4, hold for a count of 4, exhale for a count of 4, and hold again for the count of 4. Let's begin. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue this pattern on your own. Each breath builds stability. Each pause brings calm. Notice how your heart rate begins to slow down. Notice how your body begins to soften. And notice how your thoughts begin to settle. If your mind begins to wander, that's okay. Simply return to the rhythm of your breath. Inhale, calm. Hold, stillness. Exhale, stress. Hold, peace. Now imagine yourself standing in the center of a gentle storm, wind swirling, thoughts moving, emotions rising. You don't need to fight the storm, you just need to breathe through it. Picture a soft light glowing in your chest, warm, steady, unwavering. Each breath you take strengthens this light, expanding it throughout your entire body. It fills your mind with clarity. It fills your heart with courage. It fills your body with calm presence. You are grounded. You are capable. You are calm within the chaos. Repeat these affirmations silently or out loud. I am calm and centered in every situation. My breath is my anchor. I respond with clarity, not reactivity. Each breath brings me back to balance. I am steady, strong, and peaceful. Take one more round of box breathing to seal this energy in. Breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly return to your natural breath. Notice how your body feels right now. Softer, lighter, more present. Remember, peace is not the absence of stress. It is the ability to stay grounded within it. You can come back to this practice anytime you need to reset. Take one last deep breath in. Exhale completely. And when you are ready, open your eyes. If this meditation helped you find calm today, please like, share, and subscribe for more guided practices. May your breath guide you back to peace, no matter where life takes you.